My ears are being a little picky today. I need to hear a better apology.
My brain was being a little muddled. Hello friends. Welcome back to another session on emotion adjectives. You might remember how Big Bite Cafe, my peaceful sanctuary, turned into Lily's furious hideout during our last session. It became a rather daunting place for me as well. I suspect Lily is still feeling a touch indignant, but I'm hopeful that after this session, she'll be as radiant as before. Oh, here she comes.
I heard that, Zac, and I've heard your apology too. But my ears are being a little picky today. I think I need a more heartfelt or genuine apology. Keep trying. I'm sure you can do much better.
Well, how about this? My brain was a bit foggy and muddled during our last chat. Can we please hit the restart button?
Why don't we finish this session first, and then we can talk about it?
Sounds like a plan. Now friends, as we discussed, let's look at some sentences using emotion adjectives, starting with words that convey positive emotions, just the way I want Lily to feel. We were cheerful before the surprise lunch party. My friend was delighted to see all her favorite dishes at the cafe. During the break, jubilant laughter filled the room. As you can see, these words help you visualize the exact feelings we were experiencing. These aren't just good feelings, they are nuanced states of joy. Now, for some sentences with more complex emotions. I feel miserable for having disappointed my friend. The silent look on her face makes me apprehensive. I feel anxious about upsetting my close friend, and genuinely concerned about repairing things. However, I am optimistic that I'll be forgiven for my silly mistake. Knowing she is let down makes me feel forlorn. I hope that makes sense to everyone. And hey Lily, I hope it makes sense to you too?
Well friends, that seems to be a significant effort by Zac to mend things. Though I'm still slightly incensed, I can hear sincerity in Zac's words. Perhaps these sentences will describe my mood more accurately. I was disappointed when my friend compared my sanctuary to a burger. I was feeling exhilarated earlier, but became quite vexed by Zac's comment. I can see that Zac is embarrassed and realizes his error. Zac, you should never be fearful of losing our friendship. Since you're being so sincere, Zac, I think my mood is shifting back to being blissful.
Phew. Those sentences really had me anxious, Lily. But now, I'm elated and revitalized again.
This is why emotion adjectives matter. They don't just describe feelings, they help repair relationships. We'll conclude this engaging session on that happy note. Keep practicing your emotion words, and we'll return with a new concept very soon.
Keep having fun with adjectives in your daily conversations. Stay vibrant, stay curious, and take good care. Bye everyone.